Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on probability, lecture number 26, in which I will solve some problems on mean or expectation of a random variable. Now we solve a problem. Problem is two numbers are selected at random without replacement from the first 6 positive integers. Let capital X denote the larger of two numbers obtained. Find E under bracket X means expectation of X. X is a random variable. Means we have to find the expectation of random variable. Here random variable is the larger of two numbers. Now we solve this. Solution. Since here given that we have the first 6 positive integers. Since first 6 positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Among these numbers, we have to select two numbers without replacement. That means when we select a number in the first time, out of 6 integers, 6 positive integers, 6 first positive integers, our probability will be 1 by 6. Now, let a number is selected and we do not include this number with this list of numbers. That means remaining number of numbers will be 5 without replacement. And in the second time we select a number. Means when we select a number in the second time, we take a number out of 5 numbers. Therefore, the probability of selecting this number will be 1 by 5. Since selecting of first number and selecting of second number, two events, are independent events. So, probability for selecting a pair of numbers means if we take first selected number and second selected number and make a pair, that is in the form of ordered pair xy, where x not equal to y, because when the first number is already selected, it will not include with the list of numbers when second number is selected. That means probability of selecting the pair of numbers of the form ordered pair xy, x not equal to y, will be 1 by 6 multiply 1 by 5 for independent events. Here multiplication, that is 1 by 30. Therefore, each element of the sample space will be of the form of ordered pair. Hence, our sample space will contain the following numbers: 1, 2, not 1, 1. Ordered pair 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Ordered pair 2, 1, not 2, 2. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 1 means in the first time we select number 3 and in the second time we select number 1. 3 2, 3 4, not 3 3 here, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, not 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, not 5 5, 5 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, not 6 6. So total members in the sample space will be 30. Therefore, total members in sample space equal to 30. Here capital X denote the larger of two numbers obtained, means X be the random variable, which denotes that in ordered pairs we have to find the larger of two numbers. Here we have 1 2, here larger is 2, here 2 1, larger is 2. So X equal to 2, we get two members of the sample space, and we know that probability for one member of the sample space is 1 by 30. So probability for two members of the sample space will be 2 multiply 1 by 30, means 2 by 30. Now probability for X equal to 3, larger number is 3, here we see that 1 3, larger is 3, here 2 3, larger is 3, here 3 2, larger is 3, here 3 1, larger is 3. So such type of numbers be 4 ordered pairs. So probability will be 4 multiply probability for one ordered pair is 1 by 30. So this is 4 by 30. Now probability for X equal to 4. Larger number is 4. 1 4. Here larger number is 4. Here 4. Here larger number 4. Here larger number 4. Here larger number 4. Here larger number 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this probability will be 6 multiply 1 by 30. This is 6 by 30. Now probability X equal to 5. Larger number is 5. Here 1 5. Larger number is 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Such type of elements are 8. 8 multiply 1 by 30. This is 8 by 30. Now probability for X equal to 6. Larger number is 6. 1 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So probability will be 10 multiply 1 by 30. This is equal to 10 by 30. Now we will have to find the expectation of X. So first we write this value of the random variable 2 multiply its probability is 2 by 30 plus value of the random variable is 3 multiply its probability 4 by 30, value of random variable is 4 multiply its probability is 6 by 30, value of the random variable 5 multiply its probability 8 by 30 plus value of the random variable 6 multiply its probability 10 by 30. And if we calculate this, we will get the value of the expectation will be 14 by 3. So our problem is solved. Now we solve the next problem. Problem is, let a pair of dice be thrown and random variable capital X is the sum of the numbers that appear on two dice. Find the mean or expectation of capital X. Now we solve this. Given that a pair of dice be thrown, then the sample space will contain elements of the form of ordered pair 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6 and dot 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 6 5 6 6. Here we get 36 number of members. Given that capital X be the random variable whose values are the sum of the numbers of the ordered pairs of each element of the sample space. Here, for example, here 1 1, 1 plus 1 2. The value of capital X is 2 here. Here 1 plus 2, 3. Value of the capital X is 3 here. In this way we get the values of capital X will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, lastly 6 plus 6, 12. Since here number of outcomes be 36, therefore probability for each outcome will be 1 by 36. Now we find the probability for capital X equal to 2. Here random variable is capital X whose value is 2, which is determined by the sum of the numbers of ordered pairs. Here 1 plus 1, 2, only single element. So probability will be 1 multiply 1 by 36. Now probability for X equal to 3, sum of numbers of the ordered pair be 3. Here 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. So we get 2 such numbers. So probability will be 2 multiply 1 by 36. Probability for X equal to 4. Here we see that 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 1, 4. 3 of such members. 3 multiply 1 by 36. Probability will be X equal to 5. Sum 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 multiply 1 by 36. Probability for X equal to 6. Here 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get 5 multiply 1 by 36. Probability for X equal to 7. Here 1 plus 6, 7. So here 7, here 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 multiply 1 by 36. Probability for X equal to 8. Here we see 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be 5 multiply 1 by 36. Probability for X equal to 9. Here 3 plus 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4 multiply 1 by 36. Probability for X equal to 10. Here 6 plus 4, 10. 1, 2, 3. 3 multiply 1 by 36. Probability for x equal to 11. 5 plus 6, 11. 1, here 2. So this will be 2 multiply 1 by 36. Probability for x equal to 12. Here 6 plus 6 is only one element which gives 12. So 1 multiply 1 by 36. Now we have to find the mean or expectation of x. We write here value of the random variable 2 multiply its probability 1 by 36 plus value of the random variable 3 multiply its probability 2 by 36 plus random variable 4 multiply probability 3 by 36 plus random variable 5 multiply its probability 4 by 36 plus random variable 6 multiply its probability 5 by 36 plus 7 multiply its probability 6 by 36 plus 8 its probability 5 by 36 plus 9 multiply its probability be 4 by 36 plus 10 its probability is 3 by 36 11 its probability be 2 by 36 12 multiply its probability is 1 by 36, and if we calculate this we will get the value 7. So value of mean or expectation of the random variable will be 7. So our problem is solved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.